Hi, Tempe looks so chubby. She smiles. She likes her mouth played with too. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Look at that baby. Baby, baby, baby. She's like, what the fuck are you doing? Big yawn. Hi, Tempe. Whoa. She looks like she just woke up.
Well, she did just wake up.
I am aware. She's got more of a tan than you do.
Hope you got that.
Tempe tickles! We've got Tempe tickles! You can face her towards you. Want the boppy? She's like, fuck off, I want to stare out that way. That's not a very happy face. You're gonna piss her off.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me. Me, 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 me. Me, me. Me, me. Oh, she's fine. Woohoo.
Here, see if you can make her stand up on her own. Sit, sit. Sit up, baby. Stand up, baby.
She only stands up when she's upset. She's crouching.
Crouching tiger, hidden Tempe. Sit her up. She sits up good. They better have delivered our shit.
It doesn't anything.
Fuckers. No.
How
Wow, that's like
tired?
her third yawn. Look how beautiful the baby is. I guess I should stop, huh?